have been constantly saying that India's science and ancient scientists were very advanced. The invasion of India by the Mughals and the subsequent burning of our universities and the literature along with them literally threw the world back in science by at least 200 years. Today, just to prove our claim, we are going to list down the top 10 facts which prove that ancient Indian science was incredibly advanced. Number 10. Sushruta Samhita, the oldest medical and surgical encyclopedia known to mankind. Written during the 6th century BC, the Sushruta Samhita contains 184 chapters with descriptions of 1,120 illnesses, 700 medicinal plants, 64 preparations from mineral sources, and 57 preparations based on animal sources. Its author, Sushruta, is also considered to be the first ever human to perform medical surgeries on humans. Number 9. The first ones to acknowledge the existence of the solar system. While history credits Copernicus for proposing the heliocentric model of our solar system, it was the Rig Veda that first noted the central placement of the Sun and other planets orbiting in the solar system. Number 8. Mahabharata mentions the concept of cloning, test tube babies, and surrogate mothers. The fact that Gandhari had 100 sons is pretty well known. But how did she give birth to 100 kids? Each Kaurava was created by splitting the single embryo into 100 parts and growing each part in a separate kund or container. This is identical to the cloning process today. The birth of the Pandavas, who were born from the characteristics adopted from the men of Kunti's choice, also has striking resemblance to the present-day test tube baby concept. Number 7. Indian Vedas figured out gravity before the West did. Yet again, way before Isaac Newton explained gravity, ancient Indian scholars had already figured out how it worked. Number 6. The theory of atom. One of the notable scientists of ancient India was Kannad, who is said to have devised the atomic theory centuries before John Dalton was born. He speculated the existence of Anu, or a small indestructible particle, much like an atom. He also stated that Anu can have two states, absolute rest and a state of motion. He further held that atoms of the same substance combined with each other in a specific and synchronized manner to produce Vyanuka, which is a diatomic molecules, and Trianuka, which is triatomic molecules. Number 5. Vedas explained the science behind the rather feared eclipses. While the world feared the eclipses and associated all types of paranormal occurrences with this phenomenon, Vedas already had a very proper and scientific explanation. The below excerpt is also proof that they knew that the moon wasn't self-illuminated. Number 4. Indians knew the exact length of a year. Ancient Indians used 4 ways to measure the length of a year, namely Nakshatra, Savana, Lunar, and Saura. Saura was one method based on the tropical zodiac that defines the seasons, equinoxes, solstices, year halves, and months in relation to the 6 seasons. As unbelievable as it sounds, Saura estimates the length of a year to be exactly 365 days, 6 hours, 12 minutes, and 30 seconds. Number 3. Wood steel. A pioneering steel alloy matrix developed in India. Wood steel is a crucible steel characterized by a pattern of bands that was known in the ancient world by many different names, such as Ukku, Hindwani, and Ceric iron. This steel was used to make the famed Damascus swords of yore that could cleave a free-falling silk scarf or a block of wood with the same ease. Produced by the Tamils of the Chera dynasty, the finest steel of the ancient world was made by heating black magnetite ore in the presence of carbon in a sealed clay crucible kept inside a charcoal furnace. Number 2. Aryabhatta's deduction of the value of pi. According to documented history, the irrationality of pi was proved in Europe only in 1761 by Lambert. The great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta worked on the approximation of the value of pi and concluded that it is irrational and its value is approximately 3.1416. He did this in 499 Common Era at the age of 23. Number 1. The first ones to measure the circumference of the Earth. Sadly, the Greeks enjoy the credit for this discovery, while it was actually Aryabhatta who deduced a formulation proving that the Earth is rotating on an axis. Then, by estimating the value of pi to be 3.1416, he concluded that the circumference of the Earth was approximately 39,736 kilometers. The actual circumference of Earth, as deduced by scientists today, is 40,075 kilometers. Cool, wasn't it? India has such a rich history, and the 10 that you have seen now are just a small part. We are surely going to bring out several other parts to this series. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. You can check out many such interesting videos on Simply Curious. And to find them easily, you can check our playlist, I Love India.